Thank you.
For the delay to the flight today, running about 15 minutes late due to late outbound from Manchester due to a couple of technical issues there. But soon be on our way. Flight time around about an hour and 40 to an hour and 45 minutes back to Manchester. With me on the flight deck is James. He's flying you back, so once we get into the cruise, he'll update you on that progress. Darren's in charge of the cabin. He'll introduce you to the other two on board in a moment. And please remember that the cabin crew are here for your safety. That is their primary role. So when they give you the safety demonstration, please give them the courtesy of watching it. And I hope you'll give them courtesy throughout the flight today. That's about it for now. Thank you for listening, and we'll get underway as soon as we possibly can and update you later. Cheers.
Los dispositivos electrónicos pueden utilizarse en todo momento, siempre que esté activado el modo avión. Guarden sus ordenadores portátiles antes de despegar. Si descubrieran que algún dispositivo electrónico se dañara o sobrecalentara, les rogamos nos informen inmediatamente.
Electronic devices can be used at all times if they are on the flight safe mode. Please do activate these now. If you do become aware of any electronic device being damaged, overheating, produces any smoke, please inform a member of cabin crew. Laptops must be safely stowed for takeoff and landing. Cabin crew, please arm doors for departure.
Rogamos su atención hacia las señales luminosas y las instrucciones de la tripulación, que incluye los procedimientos de seguridad. En el bolsillo del asiento delantero encontrarán una tarjeta de seguridad que contiene información importante en cuanto a rutas de salida, mascarillas de oxígeno, chalecos salvavidas y la posición que deberán adoptar si oyen las palabras brace, brace. En este avión hay 8 salidas de emergencia. La tripulación de cabina les mostrará ahora la salida más cercana, que quizás pueda estar justo detrás suyo. La iluminación de seguridad les guiará hacia una salida. En caso de emergencia, dejen todo el equipaje a bordo. Para saber abrochar, ajustar y desabrochar el cinturón, observen la demostración. Deberán abrocharlo cuando se encienda la señal luminosa. Les recomendamos que lo mantengan abrochado en todo momento. Si fallara el suministro de aire, se activarán automáticamente las mascarillas colocadas encima suyo. Tiren de la mascarilla para comenzar el flujo de oxígeno. Colóquensela sobre nariz y boca y respiren con normalidad. Asegúrenla con la cinta y estiren ambos lados para ajustarla. Colóquense su propia mascarilla antes de ayudar a otros. En caso de amenazaje, utilicen el chaleco salvavidas situado debajo de su asiento. Extráiganlo de su bolsa y pónganselo por la cabeza, pasando las tiras alrededor de la cintura. Cierren el broche y ajustenlo con la tira. No lo inflen dentro del avión. Una vez fuera, inflenlo tirando del cordón. Si no se inflara o necesitara más aire, utilicen el tubo para soplar. Dispone de una luz y un silbato para atraer la atención. La tripulación les asistirá con los chalecos para los niños. La mesita debe estar plegada, los reposabrazos bajados, las persianas subidas y su cinturón abrochado. En la revista encontrarán más información sobre su seguridad. Les deseamos un vuelo agradable.
Good morning everyone, welcome on board this EasyJet flight to Manchester. The extended welcome of that of the captain. Just like to thank you for boarding the aircraft so promptly. To hope for those who have been visiting Bilbao, you have enjoyed your visit to the city and our surrounding areas. Just like to introduce myself and the rest of the team that will be taking care of you today. It's my pleasure being a cabin manager. My name is Darren. I am greatly assisted with Mark at the front and Gareth at the rear. We are all here primarily for your safety and also your comfort, so with safety in mind, we will shortly be showing you our safety demonstration. Do appreciate you are frequent flyers, but all aircraft do differ in type, so this is for your own information and benefit and those around you. We do kindly ask if you could now suspend in any conversation and lower any reading material. Mark and Gareth will be back with more information about the services we will be providing on today's flight. We ask you to sit back, relax, and we'll make this flight as comfortable as possible. Thank you.
Please pay attention to illuminated signs and crew instructions, including the following safety procedures. The safety card found in your seat pocket contains important information about exit routes, oxygen masks, life jackets, and the brace position that you must adopt if you hear brace, brace. There are 8 emergency exits on this aircraft. The cabin crew are now pointing out the exits nearest to you. Please be aware that your nearest usable exit may be behind you. Emergency lighting will guide you to an exit. In an emergency, leave all baggage on board. Your seatbelt is fastened, adjusted, and released as shown. It must be fastened when the seatbelt signs are on, and we recommend that you keep it fastened at all times. If the air supply fails, masks will drop from above you. Pull a mask towards you to start the oxygen. Put the mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Hold the mask in place with the strap. Pull on each side to adjust. Put on your own mask before helping others. If we land on water, take a life jacket from under your seat. Remove from the pouch and put it over your head. Pass the tapes around your waist and click together. Pull the strap to adjust. Do not inflate it inside the aircraft. When outside, inflate it by pulling the toggle. If it fails to inflate or needs topping up, blow into this tube. There is a light and whistle for attracting attention. The cabin crew can assist you with life jackets for children. Your tray table must now be stowed, armrests down, window blinds open, and seatbelt fastened. Further information regarding your safety on board can be found in the in-flight magazine. We hope you have a great flight.
Ladies and gentlemen, now that we're in the air, please keep your seatbelt fastened whenever the seatbelt sign is on. We recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you're seated. Take care when opening overhead lockers, just in case anything falls out. Toilets are located at each end of the cabin and are all fitted with smoke detectors. Smoking is not permitted on board at any time, and this includes e-cigarettes. Due to COVID-19, public health authorities recommend frequent hand washing with soap and water, and cover your mouth and nose when sneezing or coughing. We apply a fine mist of disinfectant to all surfaces within the cabin. In case of spillages, advise a crew member who can provide a cleansing wipe. Do not use your own. The cabin crew will shortly commence with our eat drink shop range. We have a variety of hot and cold sandwiches, sweet and savoury, with something for everyone. Want to take a look at the brochure, which can be found in your seat pocket. We are a cashless airline now, so we only accept credit, debit or Maestro cards. So why not take a look at the brochure, and the cabin crew will join you in the cabin shortly. Do kindly ask if you do wish to use the bathroom facility to do so in the next few minutes. Once the seatbelt signs have been switched on, toilet compartments will be closed. If you do wish to purchase any more drinks or snacks or anything from our boutique range, then please press the call bell and the crew will be happy to assist you. Thank you.
Shortly be landing. Please switch off all electronic devices and ensure your baggage and all personal belongings, including laptops, are safely stowed. Your tray table must be stowed, armrests down, window blinds open and your seatbelt fastened ready for landing. Please review the safety card found in your seat bucket as it contains important safety information. In an emergency, leave all baggage on board. Please help us by handing in any rubbish, newspapers or magazines that you do not want to take with you. The toilets can no longer be used.
Welcome to Manchester Airport, where the local time is approaching midday. We were pleased to say we have arrived on time and on schedule. Please do remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete and final stop. Captain has switched off the fasten seatbelt sign in the panel above your head. Calls, text and internet access may now be used if all your devices are to hand. Please do take care when opening the overhead compartment, as items could have moved during the flight and could fall out and injure someone. Do check in the seat pocket in front of you for all your personal items, side of the seat cushions, floor area for passports, mobile phones, electronic devices. Smoking is still not permitted until you have reached a designated smoking area. Here in Manchester, it is outside of the terminal building. This does include the use of electronic and vape cigarettes. It has been our pleasure looking after you on today's flight. We do hope that you have enjoyed today's service with us. We would like to see you on another EasyJet service in the not too distant future. On behalf of the Captain Steve Freeman, First Officer James Toyne and the rest of this Manchester-based team, it has been our pleasure looking after you today. Do wish you a safe onward journey, a very pleasant stay for those who are taking a trip to the northwest and to Manchester, and for those returning back home, thank you and a very good afternoon.
Ladies and gentlemen, please remain in your seats with your seatbelts fastened until the captain switches off the fasten seatbelt sign. This is for your safety and the safety of the passengers around you.
Thank you, disarm doors for arrival.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, you shall be able to disembark the aircraft using the forward door on the left hand side, where there's a covered walkway that will take you directly to the terminal building. Once again, do check for all your personal items with you, check under the seat in the seat pocket floor area. do take care when disembarking and do supervise any children as you leave the aircraft. Once again, thank you for travelling with us today. We wish you an enjoyable afternoon. Thank you.